those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Ozella. So you guys, for today's video, I'm just doing a simple get ready with me look. I was getting ready to go to my nephew's birthday party, so yeah. So if you want to see the look that I create, just keep watching. Okay, so I've already prepped my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I set it with some translucent powder. So the first color I'm going into, well, the first palette is the James Charles palette, and I'm dipping into that orange shade. I don't know the name of it because I lost the thing that has the name, so I'll list it in the description box below. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply that in my crease. Next, I'm going to take that brownish shade that was next to the orange shade in the palette and apply that in my crease as well. I will have the name of that shade listed in the description box too. So this is a cut crease look, so I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer and cut the crease. Like I stated in my last video, what I've been doing lately since the concealer is not really tacky, I've been taking some translucent powder to tap over it to set it, so that way it won't move. Okay, so I forgot to do a clip of the palette that I went to next, but the next palette that I started using was the ABH Amrezy palette, and the shade that I'm packing on the lid is called Anastasia. Okay, so I am applying glitter, and the glitter that I am using is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter in the color Goldmine. Okay, so I did apply black eyeliner, but I'm not doing a wing. I'm just applying that just so I can cover up the lash band when I put on my lashes. Okay, so moving on to the face, I'm doing my same face routine. So to prime, I am using the E.LF Poreless Putty Primer. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline FitMe foundation, and I'm using the shade 334. Alright, for concealer, I'm using my same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And for contour, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation Stick in the shade Cocoa to do a cream contour. And then I'm going to go over it using I'm going to set it using her contour kit. And I stated this in my last video, whenever I was setting my concealer and everything in place, I noticed that like I would crease really bad because I would wait so late to set it. So after I do my concealer and blend it in, I go ahead and just set underneath my eyes, and then I move into contouring the rest of my face and setting the rest of my face. Alright, and to finish off the eye look, I'm going to apply a black eyeliner in my waterline, and then I'm going to go back into the James Charles palette and use that orange and brown shade from earlier to apply underneath my eye. Alright, and to set everything in place, I am going to be using the Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. And then I am going to highlight my brow bone and my cheeks using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Right, and this is the look. This is my get ready with me look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, share the video, and also make sure to follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and yeah, see you guys later.